So hello friends, welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be very important. Why? Because in this video we are going to discuss about the Ohm's law. So what is Ohm's law and total concept about the Ohm's law we are going to discuss in this video. So please watch till the end of this video because this video is going to be very important. Ohm's law states that at constant temperature and pressure, whenever we are applying a potential difference to a load, then certain amount of current starts to flow through the load. That current will be directly proportional to the potential difference that has been applied to the load. So the Ohm's law is telling that the current which is flowing after connecting the potential difference, that will be directly proportional to the voltage or the potential difference that has been applied to the load. Okay, so this is the Ohm's law. So according to Ohm's law, I will be directly proportional to the V. Then after removing the proportionality sign, we will get I will be equal to GV. So here G is nothing but the proportionality constant. And also we are calling the G as the conductance. So what is conductance? Conductance is opposite to resistance. That means resistance means the opposition offered to the flow of electric current. This is opposite to the resistance. G is opposite to the resistance, that is conductance. Okay, so conductance formula is 1 by R. So after applying the formula, that is G is equal to 1 by R, here we will get I will be equal to V divided by R. So V is equal to IR. So this relation is most important. Why? Because everywhere in the numerical we are using this numerical or this formula. Okay,